How to add Facebook friends in Instagram. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First, you want to open the Instagram app on your device. Now in this video, I'm going to show you two ways on how you can add Facebook friends. For the first method, tap on the profile icon at the bottom of your screen, then tap on the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, then go to settings and privacy. Once you're here, scroll down and find the option that says follow and invite friends. Tap on this option and now here you can see there are different ways on how you can follow and invite your friends. You've got WhatsApp, email, or SMS. You want to tap on the option that says invite friends via. From all of these options, you want to select Facebook, and once you do that, you'll be able to add your Facebook friends in Instagram. Now for the second method, tap on the profile icon again, then tap on these three lines, and now from these options, tap on Discover People. Once you're here, you want to sync your profile info with your Facebook. For that, tap on the Sync option. Now simply select your Facebook account, then tap on Sync Name and Photo. After doing this, you have been connected with your Facebook account. If you have not done that before, then you will have to set up the account center. And once you do that, you will be able to add Facebook friends and Instagram. And that's it for this video. We hope you guys found it helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.